Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet bracelet ideas, beautiful jewelry for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, different designing, mind-blowing ideas. Most demanding collection, most wearing collection, very nice, beautiful. And mostly girls like crochet jewelry and different crochet accessories, crochet dresses. Some are light color uses, some are dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, and some are simple and some are beautiful, decorated with beaded stones, rock-up style. Some are decorated with button-up style. Beautiful heart designing, beautiful different flower decorated ideas. You can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel, and you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet bracelet. Hopefully like this, follow my channel, like and share my video with your family friends, press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas. If you want to more collection about crochet, so please visit my channel, the logo is front of you. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care viewers, bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz, have a nice day and please pray for me. Okay viewers, bye bye.